All right, welcome back, YouTube. Today we are outside. It is beautiful, 75 degrees, trying to get the air seeder into the field. Starting to go a little cuckoo bang bang. Have a lot of work to do, and everything seems to take way longer than it should, but I think that's just how it goes. Anyway, I am spraying oil out of my hose right there, and don't want to replace all 40 feet of it. So we're doing an infield repair. Stay tuned. So my plan is I have an infield replacement end. This comes from Force America in town. They're not cheap, they're $85. But this hose is $10 a foot. This hose was 130 some. I'm changing my design just a little bit, putting a 90 instead of a long sweeping loop. So my plan is that goes in like so. This goes in like so. And we will roughly do something like this. We do not want to cut this too short. That would be very, very bad. But we can swing this off to the side if need be. I think we're about right there. So we'll just throw a little mark there. And hopefully I can get this cut off relatively square without hurting myself. Little bit crooked, not too bad. Cut off relatively clean. Let's try to square this up just a bit. Alright, that looks pretty good. I don't know, I hate to promote too many things, but I'm a huge fan of these knives. Come off Amazon. They're made by Works. Push button, flips out easy. Replaceable utility blade. I think they're $8, $6 if you buy a pack of 3. It's got the little belt clip. Super handy, especially for cutting net wrap and things that wreck your regular pocket knife. We're just going to blow A little bit of ether in there, flush out all them particles of junk. Throw a little lube in there. Now, I have never done one of these before.